This is the ultimate chunky beef prep. Isang luto lang, ang dami mo ng beef for different kinds of dishes. I do this kasi I know na matagal magpakulo ng beef. So para isang effort na lang, I usually make a big batch. Start tayo by browning some chunky beef. Pwede nyo naman i-skip tong step na to pero I think it adds flavor. Since I'm using this for different dishes, salt and pepper lang yung seasoning natin to keep it neutral. I also want some beef stock so I'm adding water. You could use your pressure cooker, instant pot, or slow cooker. I used my instant pot, pressure cooked it for 22 minutes. And after pressure cooking, you have a lot of beef na super tender. I like freezing this in my freezer cubes para anytime I need chunky beef in my dishes, meron ako kagad. This is what the beef looks like after freezing overnight. Let me show you how I cook this. Pero actually, luto na siya. Let me show you how I use this for cooking. Today, we're making instant mami. First ingredient is, of course, the beef cube. I'm also adding some water kasi feeling ko it needs more water. Also like adding vegetables. For now, I just have pechay bagyo and some carrots. And of course, we're adding our instant mami. I'm adding 2 kasi feeling ko talaga lumiit na siya. Let me know kung mas maliit na ba talaga siya ngayon or it's just really my imagination. Also adding the seasoning packet, pero dahan-dahan lang tayo kasi malasa na rin yung beef broth. This is your leveled up instant mami using our beef prep. This way you get more protein, more fiber. And you still get to enjoy your favorite instant mami. And again, hindi lang limited sa beef mami ang chunky beef prep natin. I actually just made caldereta as well. Pwede rin sa sinigang or pares. If you want my caldereta recipe using my chunky beef prep, let me know. I will be happy to share my quick recipe.